Shinrin means forest and Yoku means bathing. Shinrin-Yoku means forest bathing. It is a practice or process of therapeutic relaxation where you spend time close to the nature, engaging with its beauty through all your senses and feel the connection. All your senses awaken. Sense of sight with all the colors and the landscape. Sense of smell, fragrance from the trees and the flower, sense of hearing, listening to the birds singing, rustling of the trees, sense of touch with water, trees, sense of taste, clean organic food, fruits, vegetables, taking in the fresh air. Sometimes your phone or a laptop stops responding and you need to restart, after which it runs smoothly. Similarly, our body and soul needs a reboot sometimes.